Hello everybody, Marco Chiappetta with Hot Hardware here with Haley from Lenovo, and she's going to show you something brand new for CES this year. Take it away, Haley.
So this is our ThinkPad X9, something new from ThinkPad. You can tell that it is a really, really slim, sleek design, and that's brought to you by this innovative engine hub design. So this houses Intel Lunar Lake processors, and you have all of the ports that you could want. So HDMI, 2 Thunderbolt 4s, one on either side.
Very nice.
And then you also see this really beautiful grooved aesthetic on the bottom. So it gives you a little bit of extra grip.
Act like a heatsink too, a little more surface area?
No, it's just this aesthetic. I think the big thing for the performance is really this engine hub here.
Gotcha.
So that allows for more airflow through. And then on this side, you'll notice that it's got a really large haptic touchpad as well as a modern ThinkPad keyboard.
Very cool, and these are all Intel Lunar Lake powered. And
Intel
what kind of display is on there, do you know?
So we're really focused on an immersive visual experience, so we're only offering OLED displays on this. So we have a touch option up to 2.8K resolution.
Gotcha, and are we talking pricing and availability yet or not yet?
We're not quite yet, we're
Okay.
working on it, but we're thinking around the $1,000 range.
Awesome, thank you so much, Haley.
Yeah.